How would you rate the remodel?
I will say that it's pretty much a 5. I feel glad. I feel happy. See it clean.
Yes, very, very nice and clean.
I see it clean, everything. You know, the guys that came to install, they were really very thorough. Let's say.
Oh, okay.
Very thorough. Andy, and the partner, the wife.
How would you rate the installation, the cleanup, and the attention to detail?
They were good. They were really good. I already say thorough in the installation, but in addition to that, they always clean and they leave everything on order, communicate very well with the people, with us and with Barbara. They comply with even trying to satisfy the client. Yeah.
How likely are you to refer our company to friends and family?
I will recommend it, like, for the performance that we have and all the, finish and everything. Is someone that you have peace recommending because you know that they will comply and do a good job.
What do you like most about the updates?
That is finished.
That it's finished, yeah.
And that it looks good.
And then you can use it.
And you can use it and it looks good.
Mm-hmm.
It looks good.
3 major reasons people do business with us are quality and affordability, streamlined timelines, service-oriented staff, and the overall value. Were any of these part of your experience with us?
I would say that it's a mix. It's a little bit of everything, The timing, the caring, affordability also was, I think that was one of the other things, and in comparison with other outfits. In general, I think that it was a good decision in general. It was a good